Good morning. This is the accessibility test for this website. First of all, I'm using Google Chrome version 100. Also, my screen reader is NVDA version 21.3.5, the latest stable version of NVDA.
Banner Landmark Internet Rights and Principles Coalition graphic visited link current page. Skip to content link.
Okay, this is fine. Let's test
Banner
the
Landmark Internet
navigation.
Rights and Principles Coalition graphic visited link current page. Internet Rights and Principles Coalition visited link. Navigation landmark list with 7 items home visited link current page. About link. List with 3 items IRC steering committee link. IRC governance link. Privacy policy for Internet Rights and Principles Coalition website link. IRC charter link. Projects link. Reports link. List with 5 items interventions link. Annual reports link. EuroDig reports link. IGF participation reports link. List with 10 items IGF 2019 IRC report link. IGF 2018 IRC report link. IGF 2017 IRC link IGF 2016 link IGF 2013 main landmark promoting human rights as digital rights heading level 2.
Okay, here is the content.
Heading level 2 is digital rights. Home of the Charter of Human Rights and Principles for the Internet. Button join US.
Okay, right now this is fine, no problem. Okay, the navigation, it's good, obvious, and also skipping navigation link, it's wonderful. It's very helpful with the screen reader, by the way.
Heading level 3 we are an open network of individuals and organizations based at the link UN Internet Governance Forum. Heading level 3 link IGF committed to making human rights work for the online environment. The Internet Rights and Principles Dynamic Coalition sets out to promote and provide a space for multi-stakeholder dialogue and collaboration. We also aim to be an umbrella platform for facilitating collaboration on human rights issues in the Internet Governance Forum process. Button more about US.
Okay, also this section is good.
Clickable link graphic French cover. Link graphic English cover. Link graphic IRC charter Italian. Link graphic Turkish cover. Link graphic Spanish cover. Link graphic IRC charter. Link graphic English cover.
Okay, let's try to press
Untitled
on
Google
one
Chrome.
of this.
Application. Showing viewer. Section H. Internet Rights and Principles. Get involved heading level 3.
Doesn't
Join
add up.
link IRC mailing list.
Okay. The previous page doesn't read with the screen reader, but
Contact
let's
us. Info@charter.org.
continue.
Follow us at graphic endorsements. List with 12 items. Black Square Link Centro Delaware. Black Square Link Global Voices. Black Square Link Associate. Black Square Link Corson. Black Square Link Hivo. Black Square Link Electronic. Black Square Link The Danish. Black Square Link Diplo Foundation. Black Square out of list content info landmark copyright 2021 visited link Internet Rights and
Okay,
Principles
is
Coalition link
this-
privacy policy.
Okay, this is the last thing in the website. I know there is a section in the half of the screen, but it's hard to get with the screen reader. I can do it. I can read it with the screen reader, but not 100%.
Link scroll to top.
It is a link to scroll to top.
Desktop. Dialog cookie compliance.
Okay, after that, it's dialog for cookie compliance. First of all, this is not a good way to display that. Why? Because most of the time, this is displayed as a notification. To help us to know this is a real notification. If someone using a screen reader and don't know there is something on this page, he will finish, okay? Because I already read the copyright. Copyright meaning this is the last thing on this page, okay? So you need to make this as a normal notification. When someone open a website, after maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3 seconds, the website need to make a notification to tell the person or the user with a screen reader, there is a thing here you have to look at, okay? Most of the time we press F6 to focus on this. And also you can make it autofocus. When you display that dialog, make it autofocus to help us with the screen reader to know. It's easier for us. Most websites do that. If we don't want to press on this, we simply press escape to go out from this focus mode.
Cookie compliance. Desktop. Dialog cookie compliance. Cookie compliance. Cookie compliance. Cookie compliance.
Look.
Cookie compliance. Cookie compliance.
It's not that obvious. I have to press tab
Cookie compliance dialog. Expand toggle button.
to expand.
Button unavailable. Download consent. Button unavailable. Button. Silver gold platinum combo box collapse 1 month. Highest level of privacy. Data access for necessary basic operations only. Data shared with third parties to ensure the site is secure and works on your device. Consent preferences. Use the toggles below to specify your data sharing purposes for this website. Basic operations. This type of sharing is necessary for us to access the data we need to make sure the website is secure and working properly. Data accessed. List with 2 items anonymous data like browser name and version. Pseudonymous data like authentication token. Out of list content personalization. When enabled, you allow us to save your preferences and create a profile about you so we can deliver personalized content. Data accessed. List with 3 items. Anonymous data like device type, model and operating system. Pseudonymous data like personal data like out of list site optimization. When enabled, our website. Data list with 3 items. Anonymous data like the address of the pseudonymous data like website. Personal data like content. Out of list ad personalization. When enabled, you allow us access to share data with our advertising partners that build profile about you. Data accessed. List with 3 items. Anonymous data like affiliate referral links.
Also, this section, if you want us to know this is a select or something like that, you have to do it as a multi-item checkbox. That will be much easier to know this is a thing to choose from. Okay.
Pseudonymous data like personal data like out of list. View your consent record. Protection and metrics. View your consent record. Consent metrics. Table with 5 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, column 1, consent ID. Column 2. Row 2, column 1, data consent. Column 2. Row 3, column 1, data access level.
Although this table is fine.
Column 2. Row 4, column 1, purpose categories.
No problem with it.
Column 2. Row 5, column 2. Out of table privacy protection. Services blocked. List with 1 items. Out of list services allowed. List with 1 items. Out of list button save my preferences. List with 1 items button customize. Out of list with 1 items button privacy policy. Button privacy policy. Out of list with 1 items. Out of list button save my list with 1 items button customize.
Okay, this is customized button.
Out of list button save my preference. List with 1 items.
Also, when I click customize, it gives me on the same button. Doesn't move me to another
Out of
item.
list button list with 1 items button customize.
Also, doesn't give me any clue. Did I really press the button? Does this button available or not or anything? I'm pressing enter here on this link and doesn't work. It appear it doesn't work.
Out of list with 1 items button privacy policy.
And all the same when I press privacy policy.
Button privacy policy. Button privacy policy.
It's appear like all of these links doesn't work at all.
Out of list button save my preferences. Desktop.
The only button work, it's save. When I press save, it gives me a notification in my screen reader. This is closed. But also you can make it better through the code, through the HTML. It will be more obvious for us this is closed or not or whatever. Let's look to,
Main landmark. UN Internet Governance Forum. Join US button.
let's try the other pages.
More about US button. Clickable French cover graphic link. English cover graphic visit. IRC charter Italian graph. Turkish cover graphic. Get involved heading left. No next heading. IRC mailing list link. No next heading. IRC 10 rights. IRC global voices link. Bangladesh. IT for associate. Course in Hivos. No next heading. Black square link. Black square. Black square link. Global partner.
Let's
Desktop.
try to
Content info landmark.
Try.
Copyright. Link scroll to top.
scroll to top. Okay,
Skip to content. Toolbar.
it's working.
Banner landmark Internet Rights and Principles. Internet Rights and Principles Coalition visited link. Navigation landmark list with 7 items. Home visited link. About link. List with 3 items. IRC steering committee. About link. About the IRC Internet Rights and Principles Coalition. Links
Okay,
listed in
this
tab.
is
Banner
about
landmark visited link
page.
internet. Clickable banner landmark Internet Rights and Principles Navigation landmark list with 7 items. Home visited link. About visited link current page.
Oh, okay, this is fine also.
Main landmark the Internet Rights and Principles Coalition. IRC. The visited link organization. The visited link Internet Rights and Principles Dynamic Coalition is an open network of individuals, organizations based at the link UN Internet Governance Forum GIG, working to uphold human rights on the internet and the dynamic collaboration rights issue members of the to frame and enforce rights on the internet. Heading more specific. Heading level 3 objectives.
Okay, of course the text is good. No argue with this.
More specific list black square ensure stakeholder black square contributing to black square and evaluate blacks pushing for black with their right out of list following a decision internet heading left the intergov academic information visit the link scroll to top content info landmark copyright 2021 visited link Internet Rights and Principles main landmark information visit the page content link scroll to top.
Like I told you, also the button scroll to top, it's fine, okay? But try to add the last thing in the app, the last thing in the page to screen reader to read, it's the copyright, okay? Because most of the blind users know the copyright, it's the final thing in the app, the last line in the current page, okay? Most of them will not proceed after they read the copyright, okay?
Link scroll to top.
Let's just try the other
Banner landmark
pages.
Internet Rights and Principles. Internet Rights and Navigation. About visit. List with 3 items. IRC steering committee link. IRC governance link.
Okay.
IRC steering committee. Internet. Clickable main landmark current steering committee heading. Co-chairs. List with 1 items. Black Square Minimal Rera 2020-2022. Civil Society. Portugal. Out of list steering committee members. List with 7 items. Black Square, Marianne Franklin, Academic, New Zealand. Black Square, June, Paris, Civil Society, Barbados. Black out of list with 10 out of list heading level 4 former co-chairs.
Okay, this is also fine.
Black out of list former steering committee members. List black square out of list with 1 items. Black Square, Dixie Hodden, Civil Society, out of list charter version 1.1 editor.
Okay, this page is wonderful. Everything is working fine and very obvious.
Coalition web. No, next heading. List with link scroll to top. Internet right. Navigation landmark list with 7 items. Home visited link. List with 3 items. Steering committee visited link current page. Governance link.
Okay, let's
Internet rights.
look to the next page.
Clickable main landmark. Steering committee heading level 3 procedure. List with 8 items. Black Square invite self. Success and development. Black Square set up a survey monkey and hold elections or a poll to endorse current and incoming officers if.
Okay, also this is fine.
Nominate Black Square term succeed black as well out of coach list black link ht Black Square pref link http://www.government.org/cms/dynamic coalition /72 aber.
Okay.
Black Square advanced black out of list Black Square Black Square prince black out of list black out of poll out of heading list with 1 other row western out of list with 6 items. Black Square other row outreach black other row post snap no next heading IG 2000 can scroll to top no next link privacy policy scroll to top navigate about visited link list with 3 charter link projects link reports link list with 5 items. Interventions link interventions internet rights and print clickable heading level 2 link gained official heading level 2 link this year the gained official observe media information link read more content info landmark copy main landmark link read more gained official observe clickable banner landmark visited link graphic internet rights and print visited committed to navigate visited list with 3 items. Visited link steering committee visited link governance main landmark gained official observer status at the Council of Europe steering committee on heading level 1 information and this year the gained official observer
Also, this is fine.
post no next heading Forza internet highlights and content info privacy policy no next link main landmark posts navigation landmark Forza internet rights highlights and updates of recent captivity link Google Chrome new tab search Google or type a URL combo box editable start navigation land list with 3 items. Steering privacy policy for charter link projects link reports link visited list with 5 items. Interventions visited link annual reports link
I already opened the project in another tab to easier search.
Eurodig reports link IG participation reports link list with 10 items. IG 2019 IG 2000 internet rights and principle clickable main landmark. This document defines 10 key rights and principles that must governance an open network environment the coalition's emerging download translations link graphic 10 internet right link graphic 10 principles Spanish.
Okay, this is also an obvious page. Nothing confusing here.
Link graphic 10 link graph link graphic 10 principles Georgian link graphic click right واحد universality and all humans are fulfilled in the online environment heading level 3 2 rights and social justice the internet is advancement of social the online environment ثلاثة accessibility heading level 3 everyone has an equal right to access and use a secure and open internet heading level 3 4 expression and association everyone has the right to seek receive and impart information freely on the internet without censorship or other interference the internet for social heading level 3 5 privacy and data everyone has the right to privacy on 6 life liberty and secure 7 8 10 annual report clickable main landmark heading level 2 link 2021 internet rights and prints dynamic coalition organizations internet governance link read more heading level 2 link 2020 annual internet
Okay. Right now we looked through everything in this website. The website is very good. Overall, it's good. It's working with the screen reader fine, but the only downside, this is dialogue from the first page. It's hard to know. This is there is something here on this page. It's really hard to know for someone who use screen reader normally. Okay, I didn't say that for someone beginner. No, for someone normally uses screen reader, it's hard to know. There is a dialogue here. Okay, most of the time, user will not know this is a dialogue. This is first. 2, the dialogue is not that accessible, not that obvious. Okay, like I said, you have to do it as a notification. It's not important it's a top or bottom or whatever place in the page, but you have to make it as a notification to give our screen reader a notification. There is something here, there is something important you have to look at, you have to interact with this. And also you can make it autofocus to allow our screen reader to focus on the screen, to focus on this, to do it first, okay? And like I said, it's easier to go out. If I'm in this dialogue and I don't want to interact with it, I want to go out, you can simply press escape and I will continue browse the website normally. And also I can reach it with F6.